What is great here is that it is not only the quality of construction, it is also the quality of the interactions, and not only the quality of the interactions while buying the house, but even more after buying the house. And I think that is something that really is appealed to us.
And I can easily say this is the best quality construction we have seen. Everything, in fact, very often we say, we keep referring to saying, yeah, this is the, we haven't come to a new house, and then we realize it's been 10 years over here. But I think that, like in the past 10 years, we've hardly had to maintain anything. And all the, all the features, all the appliances, even they've continued to working very well.
Space is very important for us. Kids need space to play, and Supreme Properties, as far as this particular complex is concerned, has provided for the best space possible for the kids. Very safe, very clean, very airy. So I guess that is the best thing as far as Supreme Properties is concerned, or Amador is concerned.
The other aspect which actually prompted me to look at Supreme was, of course, it's a matter of various factors, there is no doubt in that. But when I decided to sell that property about 5 years after acquisition, 5 or 6 years after acquisition, because I moved out of Bombay at that point in time, the realization which I got and the appreciation which I got was enormous.
Supreme Properties are on priority from the agents. We find that they're looking for it. People keep on asking about it, and that I'm sure it is on the higher priority. People, especially expats, like it very much.
So when we began our experience with Supreme, for me it felt that it was never as a developer like you and us, For us it was always, it felt like a cooperative thing. It was always we, and that experience has continued even after the sale. But I think that was the main thing that I liked about Supreme, that it never felt like as two teams are working. It always felt as one whole unit working towards the sale of the apartment that which we were seeking to buy.
From the time we booked to the delivery is the period I can speak about. I think the team at Supreme Universal is very professional, very reciprocal, responsive to any queries we had, and I think it was delivered also as per schedule and customized to our requirements. We did make some changes. They were very responsive and did a very admirable job in that, very professional.
From my point of view, Supreme has achieved a combination of both, which means it is basically cost effective, and at the same time it is also offering the luxury to the people. From my point of view, this is how I will differentiate Supreme from other builders, because then you are getting luxury, you are getting very good house at a competitive price.
Supreme Shelters have always, I think, looked very closely to the quality of their construction. They've had a very minute eye to every project. They have a very qualified project manager who looks after the project and so forth. And they really ensure that the best quality products and pretty much what they have shown to the client in the show apartment has been replicated in the real product. So let me tell you, when I moved in here, I just had to move with my bag and baggage and of course do my interiors, that's all.